This weekend, we saw severe weather in several parts of KELOLAND. Meteorologist Adam Rutt takes a look back at what happened.
This weekend in weather has been a rather active one. Initially, the focus was going to be on what we saw in the first half of the stretch. And while Saturday night and Sunday morning featured a widespread event that had its own round of wind and hail across a good portion of KELOLAND, early Monday morning took the spotlight. In the pre-dawn hours of the day, a severe thunderstorm crossed from Nebraska into south-central South Dakota, producing hail as large as tennis balls at times in Oglala, Lakota County. The storm would then track northeast over the next 7+ hours, and with no other storms in the region, it was able to tap into a wealth of fuel in the atmosphere to sustain its run. By the time the storm reached central South Dakota, it was producing devastating wind speeds in excess of 110 miles per hour southeast of Pierre, as well as in Hand County near Ree Heights, and 130 miles per hour in Hyde County in the Highmore area. To put those numbers into perspective, that's the equivalent of an EF2 tornado or a high-end Category 3 to low-end Category 4 hurricane. The storm's path of destruction continued into northeastern South Dakota, where a tornado touched down near Andover and another was observed near Pierpont. Gusts in excess of 80 miles per hour were observed near Redfield, with golf ball-sized hail near Eden in Marshall County. Eventually, the storm would make its exit through northeastern South Dakota and push into southeastern North Dakota as well as western Minnesota. In total, this lone thunderstorm produced a path of damage and destruction that stretched several hundred miles from Baseland to Sheecha Hollow State Park. With plenty of heat and humidity on the way through the week, we'll have to watch the skies for additional thunderstorm chances. In the meantime, the cleanup process from a violent start to the weekend weather will get underway. For KELOLAND Weather, I'm meteorologist Adam Rutt.